All right, so we're here to teach you the punch system that we're gonna use every time you're on this heavy bag. It's a very simple system. There are other punches that you learn, but on the heavy bag, these are the ones that we use the most. So we're gonna go in order. The first one, number one, is the jab. That's gonna be your lead arm. Go ahead, just start throwing them. That's gonna be your lead arm. So whether you're a righty or a lefty, doesn't matter. Whatever arm's in front, that's nice and straight. It's a straight jab. Number two is the cross. That's your rear power shot. So if I'm a righty, that's my right. If I'm a lefty, that's my left. That's just a straight punch right down the middle. Number three is your lead hook. You're gonna always rotate when you throw that, rotate to turn it in. Number four, we're gonna go right to the body. That's your rear right body shot. Then we're gonna go number five, other side, lead body shot. If you're a righty, it's your left. If you're a lefty, it's your right. And the last one you learn is number six, which is the rear hook, your power hand hook. Nice. That is the 6-punch system that we use every time you take one of our training sessions here. And it's the punch system that we use, or all of the punches that we use when you're on the heavy bag. So if you want more information on that, just check out the other videos where we explain how to throw each and every punch.